Welcome to Strategic Management course. In this video, we will look at operational and personal dimensions of functional plan and policies. Operational dimension of functional plan and policies. Operations or operations functions, also called as production function, is concerned with the transformation of inputs into outputs, materials, equipment, information, and talent. These are the main inputs which are converted into goods and services. The main objective are to produce the required quantity and quality at the right time and at the lowest possible cost. Policies and plans are formulated with respect to production system, supply of men, supply of machine, and supply of materials, and operations planning and control, research and development, and modernization. So the functions of operations are planned well in advance and certain policies have been made out. These functions are: 1. Preparation of production budget. 2. Determination of the quantity, how much to produce, and the quality of machine and equipment, and decision regarding manufacturing method and processes, how other products are to be produced. So what are the methods and processes need to be followed? Determination and supervision of plant layout, how will the machineries be laid out, and determination of that as well as the supervision of the layout. Time and motion study, determination of manpower requirement, development of new techniques of production, designing and use of quality control tools and techniques. So these are the functions of operations. So these are all planned and policies have been made out in all these things. So that is the function of the plans and policies. So the personal dimension now of functional plan and policies. Functional dimensions, or we also call it as personal management, deals with the effective and control of use of manpower. Personal management is concerned with proper use of human factor available in the business. Personal management is also called by many different names such as personal administration, labor management, industrial relations, employee relations, HR management, or manpower management. Personal management is planning, organizing, directing, and controlling of procurement, development, compensation, integration, maintenance, and separation of human resources to the end that the individual as well as the organizational and social objectives are accomplished. So this was the definition given by Edwin Flippo, which I have quoted it here. So what are the functions of these personal plans and policies? Personal plans involves manpower planning. It also involves the provisions of structure of positions and communications. That is, who is to report to whom and how will the communication be done in an organization. It involves issuing instructions to the workers and integration of workers. Policies that establish standards for job analysis, performance, and appraisal, etc. It also covers various activities directed towards establishment of industrial peace and harmonious relationship. And finally, it should also cover research on various techniques adopted in the organization for the benefit of the employees. So that's all about the functional plans or operations and human resources. Thank you very much.